Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter, Instagram Stories. In this lesson, we're going to talk about an introduction to Instagram Stories. Instagram Stories are customized photos and videos that are available to your Stories section for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your stories will be deleted, so you can upload another set of stories and it will be available for a day. Go to your Instagram mobile app. In the upper section of your feed, you will see Your Story. These are the stories of the people you follow. Let's try to upload a story. Click Your Story. Choose a photo or video from your gallery. You can see options that you can add in your story in this upper section. This icon lets you add effects to your story. On the lower section, swipe to the left to view different effects, and you can see a preview when you click on an effect. This link icon lets you tag a business partner. This icon allows you to download this story. This sticker icon allows you to choose and add any of these stickers on your story. You can add a location, and people in the same location will be able to find and view your story, mention anyone, add a hashtag with a square highlight, add GIFs, and more. This icon lets you draw into your story. Lastly, this allows you to write something in your Instagram story. You can customize the size of your text by holding and dragging to the position where you want it to be placed. You can also add hashtags in your stories, and this hashtag will be clickable. Edit your stickers, and when you're done, click Send To. Next, click Share to all your followers or just your close friends. Going back to your feed, you can see this section for viewing the available stories of the people you are following. When you click a profile, you'll see photos and videos that they have uploaded as stories. If they have multiple photos and videos, as you can see here, you can go to the next story if you tap on this area. You can go back to the previous story when you tap on the left section of your screen. If you want to pause a video, you can tap and hold in the middle of your screen. Instagram Highlights. If you check an Instagram profile, you can see this section where a collection of stories is organized into highlights. Each highlight contains stories that you have uploaded before, and adding it as highlights will make these stories available in your profile not only for just 24 hours. This is very useful to showcase your stories to your audience where they can view it anytime they check your profile, and not just for a short amount of time if you upload them as stories. Now that you have learned about Instagram Stories, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is how Instagram Stories can benefit your brand. First, increase brand awareness. You can include hashtags in your stories if you want to gain more followers. More people can discover your story, learn about your brand, and they do have the option to follow you. When people search for hashtags, and your hashtag is one of their keyword searches, your Instagram stories with that hashtag will appear at the top of the feed, which makes your story discoverable by more people on Instagram. This story includes this hashtag, and when you click on it, you'll be directed to this profile. As you can see, that hashtag is in this bio. Next, increase engagement. Your viewers can easily engage with your stories and reply to you using your stories, creating a private conversation with you. Brands can receive a direct reply from their audience and customers. Show sneak peeks of your business. Using stories to capture the behind-the-scenes videos or photos of your product, service, or your business will give you an opportunity for your audience to get a personal touch of your business. You'll be able to gain their trust more because they are seeing your personal side. People give their trust when they see a side of you they don't often see. You can also use stories to create a hype behind what you are working on and what your followers can expect soon. Creating a video using the products that you offer will create a visual picture to your viewers and potential customers about how they can benefit using your products. It will even create an interest to purchase. Make room for improvement. You can post a photo or a video, then add a sticker that creates a poll or a question so that you can get feedback from your followers. If you want to know what they want, what they think about your product, and could improve on, you can easily get the replies from your followers. Now that you have learned how can Instagram Stories benefit your brand, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is the tips in using Instagram Stories. First, create a poll. If you want to attract new people and discover your brand, you can use Instagram Stories to create a poll by asking questions to your viewers. Add a picture to make it more attractive. Then add hashtags so that people can discover your story. It's a great practice to add 3 hashtags to your stories. As you type in your hashtag, you will see suggested hashtags that you can also use. Before you use any hashtag, check it on your Instagram web app. How many people use that hashtag? If you check these hashtags on our web app, the first hashtag has 500,000 posts. The second one has over 13 million posts, and that's too many. So let's try to find another hashtag that is less than a million. Now, Insta Coffee Lovers has 100,000 posts, so let's use this. And lastly, coffee shops have 600,000 posts. Now we can share this story and wait for people who will engage. Create continuous Instagram stories. Instagram stories can only play videos that are less than 15 seconds. If you have longer videos but still want to upload them, what you can do is cut your long videos into multiple 15-second videos and upload them as multiple stories. You can use apps like Cut Story for iOS and Story Cutter for Android mobile phones. Using these apps, you can cut your long videos into shorter lengths and upload them as Instagram stories. Your viewers can enjoy watching your videos continuously, like watching a long video. This way, you'll get more views and people can stay longer and watch your Instagram stories. Link viewers to your posts. You can use any photo or video and create an intriguing question so they can click on your sticker and be directed to your post or IGTV so you can have more people viewing and engaging in your post as well and getting more traffic into that post. Use the swipe up. Here's an example story with a swipe up feature available in its profile. Take note that this option is not available to anyone. Before you can have the swipe up feature, you must have a business account and at least 10,000 followers in your Instagram business account. Swipe up feature can direct people to your websites or your landing page. This way, you can get their information such as their name, phone number, and email address.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.